Munsongi hambe nsonge la njila inilanda Munsongi
songe la njila
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 Chimao chinjenda Chimao chinazakala kulongo Gana bandu butabachikana kutela Samu moshukwa unkwamisa ni wa mabuta Kabu njisansa bala Choma mbukwamba kiri Heka kulukwa shitaka kudema kako
Mwanangele kwa miezi maulini menga Alabaku bobo Alabaku bobo Alabaku bobo Mwanangele kwa miezi maulini menga Alabaku bobo Alabaku bobo Alabaku bobo
Munsongi
songe la njila
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 Chimao chinjenda Chimao chinazakala kulongo Nkumbushitani yaita tumansangu munzo Kani mwana mamba bambakila mbakiri mambu Kani bala bandonga kwa bansukurila mbakiri mambu Eka ni bala ni kipo ni longo ni biko ni bakala ni lando
Mwanangele kwa miezi maulini menga Alabaku bobo Alabaku bobo Alabaku bobo Mwanangele kwa miezi maulini menga Alabaku bobo Alabaku bobo Alabaku bobo
Najika Nayebesa Nalwika Kabuta bako Kanilumbu Nsalambanza Munsongi
songe la njila
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 Munsongi
songe la njila Mwanangele kwa miezi maulini menga Alabaku bobo Alabaku bobo Alabaku bobo Mwanangele kwa miezi maulini menga Alabaku bobo Alabaku bobo Alabaku bobo Mwanangele kwa miezi maulini menga Alabaku bobo Alabaku bobo Alabaku bobo
ngana nzila mama lemba nakota kwani kusangi mama lemba kusangi nikota njecha musu nibala banku ni mama lemba nabala malombo ni kwetombe nabala bimpompolo mama lemba mboko gana banda gana gete kocha mama lemba ni gana nitekela mwa mamba nti walla
Wamena kumamba mugeni
mfuni nitomba mama lemba nje nalamba mwana yake chamuzuna zoza yumanje ninalamba mwana yake mboko na balaba malombo ni kwetombe na mwamfungu ni kwetombe kana teko gana nchiwe gana walla mama lembe amama ngana nzila tolokolo yako mama chiwalla nzadiambuka yelemenenaga ndekusomamba diambu dikayemenenaga ndekusomamba ni diambu jantoto kubungu ntoto wega ndekusomamba wena chototo na lubutu diambu ni dio kayemenenaga ndekusomamba mamba menana dzunu cho nicho chigana kalamu kubantu bunwa mamba dzunu chanchima chikotele ukelo wo ulutawa utakelo muka chena teko cha malemba chekumbamu teko china che bonso kento mukento ebuta zolota ni mwanto fiafiechi mboko nkelo wa malemba c'est une petite source qui étanche la soif des bêtes et des hommes talati nkelo wa malemba iwo ganaka dzunu kubishimba mu eka bo beto bansoni titaba mori antiwo wanla wayemene gande ko sonkelo ni wagana mbutu jina ni jina jisansa kama kanda manka makulu momega na chibelo china Mama bonisa kwani mama sala salamu aja tengo mulo zampa shena watu sala salamu
Tokolonga Mona mère Rogatien Milor Garo Marca Mama C'est vrai, très souvent dans la vie nous vivons des situations difficiles et même compliquées. Toujours à la ligne d'attaque, en train de forger l'espoir perdu, sans ignorer les valeurs en nous. Motivés et déterminés, nous y arriverons certainement. tant qu'il y a l'espoir, un jour de la lumière apparaîtra. Hakuna Matata. Unissons-nous malgré nos divergences. Et ensemble, we are one, you and I, let's stay together. Lego, Kolanda tenzela ya mabe, malembe tokukoma, mokili tondi magamwebele, ya, sala na kimya, eloko nyose koma kanangonga nango.
Kiambote tatale.
Kiambote tatapanzu.
Nunama vimpi,
Nama vimpi yeno,
Kitepe tunama vimpi, titondele. Si akaisa enkangu. Você tu yantika. Understood, tatale. Kaisa. Kaisa to greet. Remember, Kaisa.
Okay.
Kaisa. Okay, let me say hello. If you're watching, we thank you. This is Kikongo class. Kikongo is the language of Congo Kingdom, spoken in Angola, Gabon, Congo Kinshasa, and Congo Brazzaville. Tutondele. Thank you very much, Tata Ellen, for coming. Okay, I'm stopping with English. Yeah, now we are going to talk.
Okay.
Okay. For anyone watching, let me try to clarify something. I'm expecting Tata David. He said that he was coming. Okay, let's see. Okay, Kikongo is a Bantu language, not. Of course, you know that it is not European language. It's Kikongo. It's Bantu language. Okay. The last book, I think it's the last book on grammar, modern book on grammar and exercise, was written by Tata Kiala. I got the book, very good book, but one day I was about to to teach Kikongo about the past tense, then past, let me check my notes, past, the past of the past, what is the past of the past? Past perfect, yeah, Tatani, yes. Yeah, Tatani.
Yeah, I'm here. Yeah.
Yeah. Past perfect. Yes, past perfect, yes. The past of the past, let's say had been, yes?
Yeah.
Yes. So, but plus que parfait in French, say that. I did ask, I mean, according to me, when I was reading the notes from Tata Kiala books, very good. I said, okay, this is good, very good. I'm going to teach it. But then I spoke to one of my advisors, another linguist. He did say that according to him, we don't have past perfect in Congo. See, that's why talking about the past, we are going to learn the past simple, just past simple. Yes.
Okay.
We should be okay. So when you're talking, whether you're talking about past perfect, past, I don't know how many pasts we have in English, but just keep in mind, we take everything, we say everything should be, how should I put it? We just go, any past, we say past simple. We're using past simple.
Okay.
Are we okay, Tatane?
Yes.
Hence, we are going to focus on present perfect indicative, yes? Because this is it every day. Any language. Have eaten, yes? Have done this, have that. Then the future. Okay. Tulenda mokena. You translate me that. Over to you. Tulenda mokena.
Okay.
The verb is mokena.
Mokena.
Tulenda mokena. Tulenda.
To lend us to
yes.
You can, right?
Yes.
No, we can see. Oh.
Mokena, some people would say mokena, to talk, dialogue.
Okay. We can dialogue. Okay.
Yeah. Moko is dialogue. Moke, not to talk.
Okay, Moko.
Yes.
That one.
Lamba. What the verb lamba? That's lamba.
To cook.
Oh, well done. Yes. To cook. Okay. I'm just going to test you. Kilembe. I just want you to. I want you to guess the first, because the hardest part is the SBT.
Yeah, and key is what? So what do you?
Yes.
What
What
do you?
have you cooked?
What have you cooked?
Yes. So your answer in Kikong, of course. That I just want you to hit nasal. Tricky, yes.
Oh boy.
Okay, let me just try to simplify it. Okay. There's no other way here. Lamba, you need to guess it because the nasal. Because if I give you the nasal, the first person, the rest will be easy. Remember, yes?
Yeah.
The first person is very hard.
It's
Don't worry. Try to generally speaking, I'm not sure if I should say the rule, but generally speaking, try by default go for ND, any nasal, yeah.
Yeah,
Try
that's
by
what
default.
it'll be. What?
Okay. Well done, Dembe.
Ndembe. Aye, Ndembe.
Nothing to do with the infinitive. See? Be careful. We have
Ndembe.
another veg,
Ndembe. Okay.
another green stuff we eat. Ndembe. This is the verb lamba. Yes. Oh, okay. Carry on the answer. Kilembe.
Okay. Ndembe.
Well done.
Madezu.
Well done. Yes. Well done. Okay. Tutondele. Kwuzinganga tata.
Yeah, what do you yeah.
Remember the keyword as soon as you hit location, think of KU, yes?
Ku Washington Izinganga.
Well, Jambote. Oh, Tata Dave is here. Let me bring Tata Dave because hello, Tata David.
Jambote.
Stranger, well done. Welcome. Give Jambote. So, you're right, Tata David.
Yeah, it's been a rough few weeks, but yes, we're hanging in there. We're okay. Thank you.
Good.
Hope you are too.
Yeah. You got a nice t-shirt. Can you just try to, we can see the map. It's the map of the country. Your t-shirt, yes? Can you just try to stand up a bit? We want to see your, yes, Congo, yes.
Yeah, I've been enjoying the African Cup of Nations.
Yeah, you're doing well.
Yeah.
Great to see.
Yeah, doing well. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Yes, Tata David, we've been, I think the last two lessons, we're moving. Basically, you have a lot of notes, yeah? We have a lot of written stuff. We are now going towards spoken Kikong, yeah, Tata David? Because this is our goal anyway. By the end of the year, you should be okay, huh? Should be speaking the basics. Okay. Let me just try to go back. I've already spent to Tata Alain. Kikong, of course, it is a Bantu language. Yes, it's a Bantu language. So one of the recent modern books, grammar on Kikongo, was written by Tata Kiala. Is from Damba in Angola. Which very good book. one day I was about to teach the past tense. Then I was confident that it was good material. I mean, good teaching, good stuff. Then I did ask another linguist's opinion, my another advisor. He was saying that we didn't have past perfect in Kikongo. See, the other was saying that we shouldn't put it as past perfect. Not really, because in Kikongo you should put everything in context. You understand what I'm trying to say? I remember one of my students used to ask me all the time, French class, all the time, when are we going to have a list of verbs and the tense? I used to say, no. I always say that Kikongo is Bantu language, yes? Okay. In short, we are going, for us, the past here, the past is just the past simple. Yes? We're just going to focus on past simple. The other past, I don't know how many past there are. Just past simple should be enough for us. Are you clear? So, past simple, present tense, of course, the future, then present perfect indicative. This is the hardest bit, David, yes? Because remember, you always say that the present, I mean, the verb, when you conjugate it, there's nothing to do with the infinitives. Remember, when I say mona is to see, present person, present tense, no, not present tense, present perfect indicative. Mona mbwene, yes? So, present perfect indicative, the keyword is nasal. Are you okay, Tata Dave?
Okay.
Yes, we're going to talk Kikongo today. Let me just... Okay, I was talking to Tata. Okay, let us go back to Tata just to try to help Tata David to catch up. Okay, let me speak in Congo. So, Munzila ngina, mukwenda ngina, kuzandu itakwenda. Tata Mosi, kuzandu katatuka. Tuwawane. Wawana is meet, to meet. Wawana. Tuwawane. Wow, sitomokena. Ntoki de tata ale, kiambo de tata. Tata, kiambo de tata.
Yo, kiambo de tata.
Kumba kunani tata.
Kumbwame Alain. Ye. Kumbwa kunani.
Yenge tata kumba kunani.
Nge ye tata kumbwa ku nani.
Mono kumbwa me panzu. Tata panzu. Kwe utatuka.
Kuzandu itatuka.
Oh, diambote. Kisumbidi. Now we get into present perfect. Kisumbidi. Sumba is a verb. Now you have to hit the nasal.
So object first, right?
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah.
Madezu. Is it?
Yeah, nasal. Yeah, nasal. Yeah. Keep the S. Yeah, nasal.
Madezu is this sway? No.
Tumbidi.
Tumbidi.
Yes.
Madezu tumbidi.
Yambote. Tutondere. Tata, Dr. David, any question?
Oh, many questions. Yeah, I've been away from this for a while. So,
any questions?
what does the verb sumba mean?
Sumba. Can you help us, please?
Okay, so the verb sumba is to buy.
To buy?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So, did Dr. David, did you understand the talk? Have you understood the talk? How was it?
Only a little bit. I only remember some of these verbs. But this is helpful. Let's continue. I think you're right. Our ears need to become accustomed, and our tongues too. So it's good to speak.
Yeah, you have you have everything on your notes. Yeah, now we need.
Yeah. So and to review, wawana is to meet.
Yeah, wawana. 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 Yes, to meet.
Okay.
Yeah, luwawan. Yeah, luwawan. You could say meeting. Yes, luwawan. Yes. Any question, Tata David? Okay, let's try Tata David. Small talk, yeah, Tata David. You need to be brave, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. And let me just say it again for someone watching. Past, for us, past is just past simple. Don't worry about just past simple. Present tense, of course, we need that. Present tense, present perfect, indicative. This is the this is the pen on the neck here. Totally. Present perfect, indicative. Then the future just remember your auxiliary. Yeah? Future, singer, just your singer. Yeah. Singer is your auxiliary, then you add your verb, yes? The future. Confused, very confused.
No, this is okay.
Yeah. Okay, we're just focusing right now. We are focusing on present perfect indicative. So I'm going to give you some verbs, and let me try to talk a bit with David. So I'm going to talk in Gikongo with David. Okay. Munzila, try to translate my Gikongo. Munzila ngina. Nzila is roadway. Munzila ngina. Ngina is your verb, the verb kala. Yes. When I say Munzila ngina, Munzila ngina.
I'm on the road.
Well done, yeah. Munzila ngina. Yes. Munzila ngina. Yeah. Nzila ngina is the verb kala. Ngina, tuna. You got your notes, yeah. Now we need to practice that. Yes.
Okay.
Munzila ngina. Listen carefully. Listen. Wawana is to meet. That Ale, can you guess the present person, first person, present indicative, perfect indicative? Wawana.
No, is it?
Find the nasal. Try to find the nasal.
No, is it Nwandiri or no?
Ngwawane.
No, I was not gonna get that one right.
No, memorize. Ngwawane. I mean, I've met. Okay, let me just go to easy verbs. Dia, noa, vova, Dia, Tata David, dia.
To eat.
Yes, noir. Tata Ale.
What did you say? Noir? Noir is to drink.
Yes, vova.
To speak.
Well done. Leka. Tata Ale. Leka.
Remember that one.
Leka.
From midnight to 7 o'clock. What do you do?
Wow, that's that. I'm not. That one is not coming.
Leka. To sleep, yes.
Oh,
Leka. Mona. Tata
speak.
David, Mona. Tata Ale, Mona.
To see.
Yes. Wa.
We did that one last week. To listen.
Yes. Tata David, Sala. Be careful, not long vowel, the short one. Sala.
okay. To go.
To Tata Ale, Sala. Short vowel.
To work.
Well done.
Yeah. Okay, I remember now.
The long one is stay. Sala.
So,
Luaka. Tata Ale.
We did that one too last week. To arrive.
Well done. Seva. Seva.
oh, yeah. I know we've had it.
Seva. You have $1 million in your pocket. You go to the bank. There's a saying in English. What do they say? You're going happy. You do something. You're smiling, yeah, all the way to the bank, yeah. Seva, smile. Smile.
Smile.
Yeah, seva. So smile. We use the same from to laugh. So smile. Yes. Tutondele. Okay, now we are going to use these verbs, but we are focusing on present perfect indicative. Yes? Are we okay? Yes. Okay. Last time, we need to. You Tata Ale, can you explain to Tata David the rule for not for the first person, because first person very hard. Let's say I say Mona. I give you a hint. Yeah. The first Mbwene, second singular Tata David. What is the rule? No, sorry, Tata Ale.
You drop the nasal.
Yes. Then you use the first letter of the verb, yes?
Yeah, you use the first letter of the verb.
Yeah. Tata David. Yes?
Okay. Yes.
Mona, the first person is Mbwene, which is always hard. Mbwene. The second one, I'm dropping B because I got my nasal from B, MB, yes? Are you okay? My nasal comes from MB, Mbwene. So the second person, I drop the B, of course. I keep the M from the verb, no, infinitive. Mwene, you, mwene, him, mwene. Can you carry on? Tuluba, remember first plural, easy. Tumwene, second plural, Tata David, sorry.
See.
First plural, tumwene, second plural, lumwene, yes. Third, bamwene.
Bamwene.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's easy. Tata, any questions?
No.
Yes, okay. Lamba, bird. Remember bird. B B-I-R-D, bird, Gikongo.
B-R-R-E?
No, no, B-I-R-D, bird in Gikongo.
Oh, is it Ndeke? I know. No, wait a minute. Did you say?
Nuni.
Oh, okay. So I'm
Nuni.
using Lingala instead. Okay.
Nuni. N-U-N-I. Nuni.
Nuni.
Nuni, yes.
Okay, I don't have that one. Okay.
Nuni.
Okay. Nuni.
So, Tata David, question to you.
Mm. Nki mwene. Tata David, Nki, no? Ki? N-K-I? Mm-hmm.
In English, Ki?
Right.
Tata Nki?
What?
Yes, well done. So, Nuni is bird, Tata David. I'm going to ask you a question. Kimwene, Tata David. First, always, object first, then your pronoun, of course, your verb. Kimwene.
So if we wanted to ask, what bird is that?
You have seen an animal. Just tell us.
Yeah.
Which animal? Yes.
Nuni Kimwene.
Key is my question. Just you just need your object in your verb. Yeah?
Oh, right.
Nuni mbwene, yes? Nuni mbwene.
Nuni mbwene.
Well done. Nuni mbwene, yes. Okay. Dia, to eat. Kididi, Tata David.
I'm sorry. Repeat.
Nkididi. Remember, I'm using verb dia. You need to find the nasal first person. Present perfect.
Okay.
By default, always go for ND or NB, the nasal. Try. I mean, in this case, this. Your object first. You could say mbwenge, yes? Mbwenge.
Yeah, we could.
Mbwenge.
Mbwenge.
Mbwenge indeed. Well done, yes. Yes, I'm doing my homework. I just go to try to find the pattern. Because remember that we did it. That was we were live when we would discover that you need to use the first letter. Yeah? Remember?
Mm-hmm.
The rule. I mean, so far so good. I think it should hold. Okay, where are we? Okay. KD. Okay, we done that. Okay, not nine, but just try to use the. Tata, I'm going to ask a question. Just use the word. Test you, Tata Ale. You're going to use the negative, yeah? Nah. This one, okay. Okay, let us move. Okay. Ki utavanga, Tata Alan, ki utavanga. Try to use although my question is continuous, yes, your answer could be I mean I want you to use just try to find the nasal. Ki utavanga.
Kiutavanga.
But I want you try to use the nasal. Vanga is a verb. Try start with the verb.
I know that's what I'm looking for.
Mhm.
Uh,
Your nasal MV.
MV.
Mm.
Is it Mvwenge?
Mvenge. Well done.
Is it Mvenge?
Yeah, Mvenge. Okay, that should be okay. Yeah, Mvenge. David, questions?
Yeah. Refresh my memory what the verb vanga is again, please.
Yes, can you help, please?
Vanga.
Mm.
Ah,
To do, to make, yes.
Oh, to do or to make something. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Let's see my other verbs. Leka. Oh, we've done this. Okay, leka. Tata Alain, first person. Indicative. Present.
what are we doing? We still doing present perfect?
Yeah, we stay on present perfect indicative. Yeah.
Will it be an is in dent?
Well, yeah. By default, I think so far just go for ND. Yes,
Yeah.
ND should be, of course. Yeah, ND. Yeah.
So it's not going to be so because you said lake, all right. So we're not going to use so the K is not going to be used at all.
Oh, that's a good question.
I'm looking at the pattern, right?
No, good.
Okay, so this is an exception.
Exception. Kikongo exception is 20% there. I mean, to the rule, so it's not really exception.
Okay, I just need to know it's in daily.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Just memorize. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Tata David, wa. First singular. Tata David. You have heard. So,
Are you saying have heard?
Yes. Wa.
Okay.
Nasal. No, just say the nasal, the first person. NG.
Okay.
Nguidi.
Wa.
Nguidi. Your verb is nguidi. Yes.
Okay.
Nguidi, the first person.
Nguidi.
The verb is wa. Okay. At least we have pattern from the second to the last one. So let's just focus on one verb. Dia. Tata Alain, give us, please. Can you give us the first person? Dia.
Indeed.
Well done, Tata David. Can you carry on? Second person, third, and to the last, please.
Let's see.
From the second, well done. From the second, you drop. We drop the nasal. D. Third, yes.
Yeah. And the third is the same. Also D.
Yeah. First plural. Prefix, yeah. We.
Two DD.
Well done. You may need second plural. Yes.
And then Badidi.
Badidi. Be careful. You need to pronounce it correctly, because if you say Badidi, you say you are adamant, yes.
Okay.
Badidi. Yes. This you can. Yes. Noa. Tata Alain, you should be able to do that. From the first singular to the end, please. Noir. By default, go for the D, for your nasal. Try to find your nasal of D.
No, you didn't do it.
Nduini, yes. Nduini, yes. Yes.
Nduini,
Mm.
Weenie.
Nuini, yes. Second Nuini, yes.
Third is Nuini.
Yes.
Tu Nuini, Lu Nuini, Ba Nuini.
Yes. Vova, Tatalen, over to you again.
Oh gosh. Okay. We just did this one, Vova. So Vova.
You keep the V, you just add your nasal, yeah? MV.
Is it MV?
Mvovele.
Oh, it's Mvov. Okay, Mvovele.
And
And then
Mvovele, yes. Good.
okay, so it's Mvovele.
Second, you drop the nasal. Second is Vovele, yes.
Vovele. Third is Vovele.
Yes.
Tu Vovele.
Yeah.
Lu Vovele.
Yeah.
Ba Vovele.
Yeah. Well done. To Vovele, yes. Cairo Tatalen, Leka.
We just okay. Like Nde.
Yes.
Ndele.
Ndele. Yes.
Ndele.
Yes. Lele.
Oh, okay. Ndele. Second is Lele. Third is Lele. First plural is Tulele. Lu Lele. Balele.
Balele. Yeah. Well done. Thank you. Tata David, can you try Mona?
Okay.
I'm going to help you here. Mona, the first. Can you tell find your nasal, Tata David?
Yeah. Let's see. Okay, it would be
Mbuene.
okay. Buene. Second person would also be Buene. Third person would also be
your nasal, just for first, your nasal on your first. You drop the nasal from the second. Please, Mbuene.
so just Buene.
Mbuene. Go again, please. Mbuene. Yes.
Yes, Buene, and the third person would also be Buene, but then fourth person would be Tu Buene, fifth person would be Lu Buene, and the sixth would be Ba Buene.
Okay, can you say it again? Your nasal only on the first one. Buene.
Buene.
The second one, you drop your nasal.
Just Buene.
Buene.
Tu Buene. Lu Buene. Ba Buene.
Yeah, well done. Remember, our nasal comes from MB or ND. That one is?
Yeah.
Because from DD, dia, our nasal B O M, I mean, MBOMD. Tutundele. Wa, tatale.
Wa Nguididi.
Well done, Nguidi. Be careful, Nguidi.
No, Nguidi. Nguidi. Weedy.
Yes.
Third singular is Weedy. First
Tuidi.
Tuidi, Luidi, Bawidi.
Well done. Yes. This one hard. Sala, to work. Sala.
Okay.
Ntadidi, yes. Ntadidi, the nasal, yes.
Sala.
No. Your first singular. And Tadidi, yeah. Tadidi, yes.
Okay. Sadidi.
Yeah, well done. Then you drop the nasal,
Then just drop it for the second and third. So Sadidi.
Well done.
Sadidi. Then Tu Sadidi.
Yes.
Lu Sadidi. Ba Sadidi.
Well done. Thank you. Tata Allen, Tata Allen, your turn. Luaka.
Luaka. Okay, we did this one.
By default, go for ND. You know,
Yeah.
so by default, just go for ND.
Ndweke.
Well done.
Wake. Wake. Tuweke.
Yes.
Luweke. Baweke.
Tulweke, Lulweke, Balweke. Yes. Seva. Tata David. Seva, your first nazo is Sevele, yes?
Okay. Sevele. Sevele. Second person Sevele. Third person Sevele. Fourth person Tu Sevele. Lu Sevele. Ba Sevele.
Tutonde. Okay. we should stop there. Well done, yeah? Not easy. Questions. Tale. Okay, just I need to underline something here. Because we past for us, past is just past tense for us is just Nico Teddy was here. What's up with Nico Teddy? Kiambote Nico Teddy wa.
Kimbote datant pas.
Okay. Almost at the end, you made it. You made it. You made it. That's good.
I thought I was gonna come late, but I finally back.
10 minutes to go. Okay. Anyway, okay. Okay. Over to you, Tata, and then what I do. Let me just go back. I was saying past tense, no, past simple is a past. We just stick to that. Yeah, Tata, yes. Tata. For us, past just we're going for past tense. Sorry, past simple. Yes, but remember something happens on the first bit totally in terms of pronoun. Totally remember?
No, I'm sorry. I didn't catch the I didn't understand what you just said.
On past tense, past
yeah,
simple.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, your your pronouns are not I. I mean, I'm saying it are not EU ka. Ka still ka stands, but first and second there's a change. Totally remember what I do.
Do you mean like for the first person there's always a nasal sound?
No, the past. Let me tell you, nasal is to do with present perfect indicative. We're talking past simple. Pronoun totally. Yawaka. Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, that was okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yawaka. Yeah.
Let's say in present, you in present use your normal pronouns, personal pronouns. Kuzandu itakwenda. Your first I, yes, is I. Kuzandu utakwenda. U is your you. Kuzandu katakwenda. Him, her, ka. This is present, but past simple, there is a change on your personal pronoun. Yakwenda kuna, wakwenda kuna, kakwenda kuna. Kwenda, tatalevi, kwenda means?
To go.
Well done. He went there. Tatalevi. No, you're talking about yourself. I went there. Tatalevi.
Let's see.
Your pronoun is ya. Yeah.
Okay.
Ya kwenda kuna. There, kuna, yes.
Oh, kuna is there. Okay.
Okay, you could say.
Ya kwenda kuna.
Yes, I went to Mbanza, Congo. Ya kwenda kumbanza, Congo. Tata, ale, yes.
Mm-hmm.
Ya kwenda kumbanza, Congo. Nengo tariwa. Talking to your friend, oh, me, Mrs. So-and-so, you went to Mbanza, Congo. Nengo tariwa.
Kakwenda kubanza Congo.
I'm talking to face, to someone.
Okay.
Second person.
Oh, second person. So isn't it what?
Yes, wakwenda kuna.
Wakwenda. Oh, it's wrong.
Kumbanza,
I thought it
yes.
was ka.
Yeah. Actually, past is simple. I think it's easy. You just need to change your personal pronoun. Yes. So you should remember now that future. What about the future? Plural. We still using Tuluba, but we're adding W. We went there.
We went to, is it Twakenda?
Yes, Twakwenda kuna. Yes,
Is
Twakwenda kuna.
it Twa or?
Yeah, Twa, yes.
Twakwenda kuna.
It is hidden too, yes.
Yeah.
Twakwenda kuna. Second plural, David. LW.
Mm-hmm.
Lwakwenda kuna. Yeah.
Kwenda kuna.
Lwa. Can you say that please?
Lwa kwenda kuna.
Yes. They went there. Nengo tariwa.
Bwakwenda kuna.
Second, third plural, no chance. Bakwenda kuna, yes.
Oh, it's ba.
Yeah, no chance. Yes. Okay, we should stop there. Any questions? We're going back next time. We go back. Tata, any questions?
No.
Now we're talking, yeah? We're talking Congo, yeah? Now we're talking. You don't need your notes, Tata, yes? Kiwako, eh?
Wow.
Wow. Just recap. For us, past simple. The past for us just past simple. Forget past perfect. So on. Past simple. Just stick to that. Past simple. Then present tense, of course. Kumbanza como izinganga, yes. Present perfect indicative. The key word is your nasal, yes. Then the future. Isinga kwiza. I'm coming, I will come. I'm going to come. Isingadia. Tutondele. Then what are your questions?
No question.
No question. Tutondele. Questions? No questions?
No questions.
Yeah, well done, yeah. Tutondele. Londa Kiambote.
Musala.
Yo, thank you very much for coming. Bye.
Imba, kaimbe shetemba, ira. Papi Salumbu, Willy Longa, les coordonnateurs, Frère Mandela. Tony Masudi, Ali Bokuma. Eric Wayeno. Dr. Nelson Jean-René Bolo. Mamalandu. Edouard Bongo. Philippe Kamango. Lemba Masakila. Zozo Lukanu.